Money Magnets, are you ready to get up to $40,000 with Mountain America Credit Union with no docs?
Look, Glory, the thing I love about these credit cards the most, you can do balance transfers with no fees.
Oh my God, Marvin, that can possibly be a cash flow changer.
Yeah,
So let's dive into the first card, which is a low interest rate card. This card has a 12.74 interest rate. Like you really can't beat that. Nowadays, Marvin, cards are the interest rate it's ridiculous. It's
yeah,
all the way from 20% to 30%. So
yeah.
this card right here could be a cash flow changer and also keep some money in your pockets, money magnets. So I want to tell you about some of the other benefits that this card has to offer. And it just, woo, it makes me happy to think about how you can save money. Okay. So with this card, there's no balance transfer fee. So you can transfer your balance off of one of your high interest rate credit cards right over to this card, okay? Also, this card gives you a free credit report and score once a month. Now, who doesn't need to be monitoring their credit? We talk about having that alarm on your credit, and this is the way to do that with no additional cost to you. Okay. It also has a mobile app. Okay,
Right.
so with this mobile app, if you need to change your PIN number, instead of having to go to the bank, you can change it right on your app. I love that because, Marvin, I remember, we had to go and change our PIN, but we
Yeah.
had to actually go into the bank to do this. So with this mobile app, you don't need to do that. Also, with this card, if you happen to lose your card, guess what? You can get a card the same day. So no more waiting 7 to 10 days for your card to come in the mail or paying an extra fee for it to get overnighted to you. So Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, we're going to talk about the rewards card. All right, with this card, you can get points from grocery to fuel to entertainment and
Mm,
utilities. And look, the kind of rewards you can earn, you can get travel rebates, gift cards, event tickets, experiences, and even cash
yeah.
back. Also, you can get a low rate, no annual
Mm-hmm.
fees, no balance
Okay.
transfer fees. Like you said, if
Okay.
you get approved for this card up to 40 grand, you can get
Mm-hmm.
same day issuance if you're where the branches are. And you can get a replacement card at any branch. Also, you can get those free credit reports and credit scores, like you said earlier. And if you're a BY alumni, you can also get a card that supports that, or a Boise State Alumni Association with that right
Mm.
on the card. So for those of you guys from Idaho or Utah, you can get those cards supporting the colleges that are there. But Gloria, let's
Mm-hmm.
go on to the next card.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about the cash back credit card. Okay, so
Okay.
I love this credit card because guess what? Whatever you spend and you get cash back on, and you can either get a check or you can pay your statement balance with this. That right there could be a cash flow changer for you. Saving money. You spend the money, you get the rewards, and guess what? You pay your statement with that, your statement balance with that. I love that. Okay, so you get 1.5% cash back for whatever you're spending. And the other thing that I love, Marvin, is it automatically gives you 1.5% on on the total transaction. So whatever you spend for the total transaction, it gives you that additional 1.5 as a bonus. Now, this card also has all the other features that the other card. It gives you the free credit report. It
Right.
gives you also the no, you don't have to pay anything for a balance transfer. This
Right.
card right here, I just love the way they give you that cash back and you can pay that statement balance. But I know you want to tell them about the auto loan piece of it. Like that right there, let's just dive into it for them.
All right, they got an auto loan with rates as low as 6.24% as of this
Mm,
recording, guys. You know that might change. Also, it's no
yes.
application fees, terms up to 72 months. That could be a new car or used car. You can get on
Mm,
site financing. All you got to do is tell the dealership that you want to use Mountain America financing. You know what that helps with, guys? So you don't get 30 inquiries. Look, I know some of you watching this video have went to the
mm-hmm.
dealership and you went shopping
Yeah.
for money and a car. But we always tell you just go to the dealership and shop for
Yeah.
a car. And you can do refinancing on any of your automobiles. So if you got a high interest rate somewhere else, you can come over
Mm-hmm.
to Mountain America and refinance your car for a lower rate. Now, to me, guys, if this is something you're looking for to get a fixed rate and get a low interest rate, you ought to
Mm-hmm.
consider Mountain America. But Gloria, let's tell them about the business side.
Okay. Now, y'all know I'm all about the business side because I like to move that debt from the personal side. We need to make sure that we're separating our debt from the
Right.
personal side to the business side. So, if it's a business expense, baby, get that right off.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
let's dive into the first card, Marvin. Okay.
All right.
So, it's the business low rate credit card. This credit card is good for any business, no matter what size it is. Okay.
Right.
You can get up to 10 cards for your employees with this particular card. So this card has some of the same benefits as the personal side does. Like, for example, there are no annual fees on this card and there's no balance transfer fees as well. That
Okay.
right there is a cash flow changer for your business. Now, Marvin, let's dive into the next business cards that they offer.
All right. Also, guys, I want you guys to comment if you have any experience with Mountain America. We want to support everybody and help them out as they're going through this process. And a little later on, we're going to tell you what association you have to join and what bureau they pull. But I'm going to talk about the Visa Spend Clarity Card. This is how you control, monitor, and track your spending. You can control
Yes.
card usage and business spending. You can set approved merchant categories and card limits, which means you can
Mm-hmm.
let your employees, they can't go to the bar, they can't go to the strip
Yes.
clubs or whatever it is, and you can streamline your card reporting. You also can enjoy easy integration into any accounting software like QuickBooks, and you can add virtual cards for single and recurring payments. So this card is great if you have a lot of employees and you're trying to keep up
Mm-hmm.
with the expenses and limit where they're going. But Glory, they got one more card I want you to talk about.
Okay, Money Magnets, we're going to tell you about the last card that Mountain America offers, okay, on the business side, okay? This is the business reward card, and it gives you 2.5 points on every dollar that you spend. That's quite a lot, Marvin.
Yes,
2.5 points?
it
Like,
is.
that's almost double. Like, most cards give you a point for every dollar you spend, but this one gives you 2.5 points. I like that. That's most definitely a cash flow changer. So you may want to look at this particular card because it has a higher point value.
Yeah,
Okay. Also, with this card, Money Magnets, you can earn 5 points for gas. So if you are driving back and forth to the office, this would be the card to use for your gas, because it's a tax write off. Okay. So why not take advantage of these benefits? Okay. And this card caps off though at $20,000 annually. So that's you get $20,000 per year, okay? Now, keep in mind with these points, you can redeem them for cash back, which that can be a statement credit. You can have them send you a check, or you can get gift cards. Now, you know that we love to give gifts for Christmas. That's a good way for you to, or to give it to your employees for doing a great job. So
yeah.
don't sleep on these benefits that this card has to offer.
All right, Glory, let's do a quick recap of Mountain America so people will learn how to join, what bureau they pull, and all that good stuff. So, first of all, they're located in the Idaho, Utah,
Mm-hmm.
Arizona, New Mexico, Montana area, and even Nevada.
Yes.
So, if you're in those areas, you could probably have a great chance of being a member the traditional way. But if you're not in that area, guess what?
Mm-hmm.
It's not geo locked on the personal side, which means you
Yes.
can join the American Consumer Council and become a
Mm-hmm.
member of Mountain America Credit Union. Now, when we jump into credit score, I'm going to say you probably need a 680 or better to get approved on the personal side and the business side. And then, Glory, tell them about the business side as far as it may be geo locked.
Okay, so on the business side, keep in mind that it may be geo-locked for those areas that Marvin just spoke about. Just because, let me tell you something. Credit unions are nonprofits, and their whole purpose, the sole purpose of a credit union, is to infuse the community. And their
Right.
community is Montana, the Montana area, the Utah area. So just keep those things in mind, all right? And Marvin, they also pull Experian. So,
Right.
like Marvin stated, you want to make sure that you're taking a look at your credit report and make sure you're looking at your check systems. They may or they may not look at your check systems, but nowadays a lot of banks are starting to even look at your check systems or your early warning. So, you want to make sure that you pull that report and you make sure that you don't have anything negative on it.
And then to give yourself the best chances, I would open up a checking account 3 to 4 months before I decide to apply. And that's what we want you guys to really concentrate on. You can keep getting funded. You don't have to stop. You just have to plan it. And guys, if you
Yes.
have not taken advantage of our free business strategy call, you need to do that. We can help you guys get funded in your businesses and help you reach the goals that you want to reach. So, check out Mountain America, and then guys, let's see how much money you can raise in 2025.
Okay, Marvin, I have a gym.
All right, what you got, Glove?
Okay, Marvin, so Money Magnets, I'm all about empowering your finances, okay? So if you're looking to get another $100,000 to infuse your business, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.